Be honest with yourself. How often do you pick up your phone without even knowing why? How often do you start one task and end up doing 5 different things and finish none? We are more distracted than ever. Not just a little distracted, completely scattered. And if we don't fix this, we won't just lose productivity, we'll lose our ability to think, to learn, to build, to be present in our own lives. So here's my challenge to you. For the next few minutes, don't multitask. Don't scroll. Don't switch tabs. Just stay here with me. Because I want to share 5 simple, science-backed steps that can help you rebuild your attention span before it becomes even harder. These are not complicated, but they work if you actually do them. And I know this personally. I would never be able to read, write, or create anything meaningful if I was checking my phone every few minutes. Focus is not talent. Focus is trained. Let's train it together. Step 1. Find your starting point. Take a book, set a timer, and read. No phone, no music, no background noise, just you and the page. Read until you feel the urge to check your phone. When you finally do, stop the timer. That number is your current attention span. Maybe it's 3 minutes. Maybe it's 10. Maybe it's 20. Don't judge yourself. This is not about being good or bad. This is about being honest. Attention is like a muscle. You don't lift heavy on day 1. You start small, and you grow. Step 2. Remove what steals your focus. Your phone is not neutral. Apps are not neutral. Notifications are not neutral. They are designed to pull your attention. So don't fight your mind. Change your environment. When you work or study, put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Close extra tabs. Check messages only at fixed times. You are not weak. You are surrounded by things designed to distract you. Make your space work for you, not against you. Step 3. Create a focus ritual. Your brain loves patterns. So create a small routine that tells your brain, now it's time to focus. Maybe it's the same chair, the same music, the same cup of tea, the same time every day. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent. When you repeat it, your brain slowly learns, this is focus time, and it becomes easier to enter that state. Step 4. Respect your energy. You are not a machine. Your brain cannot focus deeply for 10 hours straight. After some time, it needs rest. So take short breaks. Stand up, walk, stretch, breathe. Not scrolling breaks, real breaks. High performers are not superhuman. They just know when to rest so they can come back strong. Step 5. Connect focus to meaning. This is the most important step. Before you start any work, ask yourself, why does this matter? Who will this help? What will change if I do this well? Write the answer down. Keep it in front of you. Because when your mind wants to escape, meaning pulls it back. We lose focus when we forget why we started. Let me tell you something simple but powerful. Your life becomes what you pay attention to. If your attention is always broken, your life will feel broken. But if you learn to focus again, even slowly, even imperfectly, you will start to feel in control again, clear again, strong again. Not overnight, but step by step. So start today. Train your attention like a muscle. Protect it, respect it, and give it a purpose. Because when you reclaim your attention, you don't just become more productive, you reclaim your mind, and your life follows.